Hey everyone, this video is going to go through some fun mechanics that you can add into PS Maker, including the chase and patrol events. And after showing the demo, I also walk through how the demo was actually implemented within PS Maker. Alright, so this demo is probably one of the more complicated ones. There's a lot of event groups going on and a lot of NPCs going on with all the different areas that you can see. But we'll go through it step by step and hopefully you'll be able to follow along in how it's made. So the events on load is just the dialogue and also all the add event group events. So with all these event groups, the first area has the patrol. So then the key event is just the start patrol event. And then we just selected the NPC patroller that spawns in there. And then we set the movement path essentially. And you can see that we just have the interaction to start this patrol on assign. And yeah, we just set the position there. For the second one, we have the chase event group. And that's in the second area. We just have a dialogue and then the actual NPC start chase event, we select the NPC to do the chase. You can set the chase speed. And another thing is you have a list of events that happen when the NPC actually catches up to the player and touches the player. So we essentially have a dialogue that says you got him and then also stopping the NPC chase. But yeah, in the next one, we have this event group that spawns every single NPC within the map. So you can see that I have all these 4 NPCs going on just for each of the different areas. So it's easier to put all that into an event group that just plays automatically as well. Yeah, for this next area that combines both of them, it starts off with that interaction on the sign and that sets everything up. It essentially starts the 2 patrols, which I have one patrol going on around this rock, and that's from one of the NPCs. And the other NPC is going around this sort of path that kind of loops around both the rocks. So those are just NPC patrol events. But what gets a little bit more complicated is we attached another start chase event, and those are attached actually onto the NPC. So each of these NPCs has another trigger attached to them, and it's essentially a touch trigger. And what it does is it starts the chase. So we set it as a touch trigger and then attach it onto the NPC. And we have the trigger area size. We should have made that a little bit bigger, so I'm just going to change that for both of these here. But yeah, essentially these 2 event group triggers are on that. And then how this looks is you walk over there and then start up the NPC chase. And what happens is when you walk over to it, you can see that as soon as you kind of touch the NPC's area, it'll fire up those events within the event group, which means that it'll start chasing you. And that's it. Thank you.